The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the latest iteration in GoPro's renowned line of action cameras, offering a blend of advanced features tailored for both amateur enthusiasts and professional videographers. Design and build. Maintaining the iconic GoPro aesthetic, the Hero 12 Black is compact and rugged, designed to withstand various environmental conditions. Its waterproof capability extends up to 33 feet, allowing users to capture footage during water-based activities without additional housing. Image and video quality. The Hero 12 Black records video at up to 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second, delivering sharp and detailed footage. The introduction of high dynamic range, HDR, video enhances color depth and contrast, resulting in more vibrant and true-to-life imagery. Stabilization and performance. Equipped with HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization technology, the Hero 12 Black effectively minimizes camera shake, producing smooth and stable footage even in dynamic scenarios. This feature is particularly beneficial for activities involving significant movement, such as mountain biking or skiing. Battery life. The Hero 12 Black offers improved battery performance, capable of recording up to 70 minutes of continuous footage at 5.3K 60 resolution. At lower resolutions, such as 1080p 30, users can expect over 2.5 hours of recording time. Overall, the GoPro Hero 12 Black stands out as a versatile and powerful action camera, combining high-resolution recording. Thank you so much.